Myo Armband by Thalmic Labs, launched in 2014, was a wearable that let people control devices through muscle signals. Using sensors, an ARM Cortex-M4 processor, and Bluetooth 4.0, it worked with major platforms. Is there any creature that we haven't found a vehicle to mimic it? Aha! A crabster! Meet the Crabster CR200. Built by Creso, this underwater robot is made for exploring and inspecting marine environments. Go Sleep Pod is a sleeping capsule made for travelers who want privacy and comfort in busy places like airports. It has a cozy mattress, neck pillow, ventilation, a privacy cover, USB charging, and storage space. Solar Butterfly is a solar-powered mobile home built to inspire more sustainable living. Shaped like a butterfly, it uses a large network of solar panels to generate enough energy for daily travel. Finally, we found a chef even Gordon Ramsay couldn't rattle with harsh comments. Draco 3, a humanoid robot from UT Austin's Human-Centered Robotics Lab, is controlled through virtual reality teleportation. In a demo, it cooked a meal by holding a pot, noodles, and seasoning. Led by Professor Yuke Zhu, it's built for repetitive tasks. This AI-powered chessboard blends classic play with smart technology. It uses Stockfish and Maya for strong analysis and more human-like games, helping players improve naturally. You can even run custom engines based on your own history. Lift HT1 can lift 400 kilograms. It performs even in busy places like this physiotherapy room in Germany, where it makes around 3,000 trips a day. As always, being eager to, not falling and breaking my spine, here is a stick. The Kickstick is a compact electric boost for skateboards and inline skates with a powerful motor, responsive throttle, and a foldable design. This Pokemon-like Ondago cooler, developed by Knack Design Studio and 3D visualization company Dirk, reimagines the traditional cooler as a wheel for easier movement. Its buoyant shape floats, while the built-in makes carrying simple and doubles as a stand when upright. Lazzarini Stratosfera is a futuristic two-person pod created by Italian designer Pierpaolo Lazzarini. Built from lightweight carbon fiber, it can travel on water or in the air. In water mode, hydrofoils and electric jet engines keep it stable and fast. In eVTOL mode, 8 propellers let it fly, with simple controls for one passenger to use daily easily. Do you have a girlfriend and $10,000 and live in Italy? Because here, we have an idea for some super fun. Never mind. Meet the Infinite Machine P1, an advanced electric vehicle built for city riding. It has quick acceleration, a removable battery with up to 60 miles of range, and a durable modular design. Wire-A-Lite is a cable camera system that helps you capture cinematic shots almost anywhere. It works with smartphones, DSLRs, 360 cameras, and action cameras up to 3.3 pounds. Seadrone is a company specializing in remotely operated vehicles, and they're offering an appealing deal for most ship owners. Their ROVs are built for inspections, search and rescue, and environmental monitoring. Analyst data reveals that people worldwide spend 4 to 5 hours daily on smartphones and other devices, often straining their necks. Extreme Neck helps with that by supporting chin tuck exercises that improve posture and ease neck pain. It offers 3 resistance levels, steady motion, and a foldable design with a travel bag.